Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's 4-wheel drive with cab, heat, and air. Also has a John Deere 553 quick attach front loader on it. Tractor was traded in locally here. It has approximately 750 hours on it. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so it is a pre-emission engine. It's a very, very clean tractor. Tractor's been taken care of. Again, does have the 553 quick attach front loader. John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. 6-foot heavy duty front bucket with a weld-on hook here. Front grill guard. Just a very clean tractor. Tires in the front do show a little wear, but they do certainly have quite a bit of life left in them. 2 entry doors in the cab. Rear tires are good. I do believe the rear tires are loaded, but double check the listing on that. It's got dual rear remotes, which is a nice option on these tractors. 540 and 540E PTO. Fenders are in nice shape. It's got the rear work lights on the back of the cab. Also has front work lights on the cab. If you're looking for a clean pre-emission tractor, this one is worth a second look. Inside is in great shape, just like the exterior. Got the books here for it. Suspension seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 12-speed transmission. 3 ranges on the short lever here. 4 synchronized gears on the larger lever. Loader control also here within easy reach. 3-point hydraulic and PTO all over there to the right. Up top we've got radio, climate controls, rearview mirror, and sun visor. On the floor we have differential lock, throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal. We do take trades. We can work off of pictures, so if you're a distance away we can certainly still help you. You can work with text or emailing pictures. We can also arrange low-rate financing for qualified customers and can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have questions or any of our other used late model tractors on our yard, please give us a call.